Hope you guys are doing well. In this video we are going to discuss that how to make an image move in Canva quick guide. So let's just start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply write the Canva here and you have to press the enter. So now what we have to do, we have to select the create design, or if you want to upload your image, so you can do that. You have to click on the import file. After import file, you have to select the image you want to make animation, like whatever you want. So I'm going to choose the folder slide and I'm going to select this one and then press the enter. And now select use a new design option and then click on the custom one, custom size, and then select on the create new design. After this, you are going to see a window where will be your picture. So here's the simple and the easiest way of this picture. So first of all, I want to make sure that I am using a Canva Pro. If you want to use these options which I am going to use, you also should have the Canva Pro version. So you have to buy this one. So now simply what you have to do, you have to select the image and then press on the edit photo. After pressing on the edit photo, you have some options here like BG remover, magic eraser, magic expand, and these are some other options. But we are not going to use these options as our filters are also. I just want to give you the short intro of these options, like this is there the shadow, autofocus, blur, and some like duo tone, and these are the filters. If you want to change the filter of your image, you can usually do that. And here's like a magical edit, magic grab. These options are going to be very useful for you guys. And here's the option like edges. If you want to change the color of the picture, temperature, and all the things. If you want to crop the image, you can easily do that. After this, we are not going to work on this. I just want to introduce these options to you guys. Now cancel it. So what we have to do, we have to simply click on the image. After clicking on the image, we have to click on the edit photo. So now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the image. After clicking on the image, we have to select the animate option. After animate option, here we have animations, which animation you want to apply. For example, you have a pen animation. Here's a pen animation, fade in and fade in. Here we have a lot of animation you can select by yourself, like breathe, like wipe. In the wipe options, after selecting an animation, you are also going to see some options like their direction, their position, their speed, and some other options too. So you can change the position, direction, and speed too. So as I have selected this wipe, if you want to increase the speed of the wipe, you can easily do that from here. The wipe speed will be automatically increased. If you want to on exit, you want this one on exit too. If you want on both, or when you are entering a picture, if you want this animation when your picture is entering, then you have to select on enter. If you want this animation when your picture is going to be exit, so you have to click on the on exit. If you want this animation on both when your picture is entering and when your picture is going to exit, then you have to click on the both option. This animation will be applied to two times, both times. So we have some other options too, like these animations, you can use these too. So here's simple. Now if you want to remove the animation, you can also remove the animation. This is the simple and easiest way that how you can animate your image. If you want to control the opacity of the image, you can also control the opacity of the image. Here's the position. If you want to change the position of the image, you can also do that from here, where size and all the things are here. So simply what you have to do, you have to now click on the share. After clicking on the share, and then you have to click on the download. If you want this animation and picture as a video, you have to select the MP4 video. If you want a simple PDF print or a video or image, you have to click on the download. So I hope you understand this video. So see you in the next video.